Let's do a hex press. I call it a crush press. It's a very interesting exercise. You're not going to be lifting the most while you're pressing this, but what you'll get is a tremendous contraction in your pecs. That's because you are going to be squeezing your chest super hard to do this while pressing. So you're using two of the biggest functions of your chest to pull this off. So I'm going to get the dumbbells, and I want to roll back nice and safely. So what I'm going to do is about an inch or so above your knee, okay? Nice and tight to your shoulders. You're going to keep your chin in, so when you roll back, you don't whack yourself in the head, okay? And you want to land so you get your hips and your upper back and head on the platform all in one go. So I'm going to rock forward, and when I'm ready, I'm just going to go back in one go. I stay nice and tight, like a cannonball. Feet come down, and you see I got my hips, my chest, my upper back, and my head in position. I'm going to slowly start working my shoulders into depression, which is just down, okay? So down for you guys are going to be this way for me, okay? All right, so I'm going to push my shoulders towards my heels. I'm also not going to have my dumbbells apart. I'm going to squeeze them together nice and tight. I'm going to start at shoulder height with my hands. I'm going to bring them down towards about sternum height, low sternum, press right back up. The idea is I want to crush the weight the entire time to do this. So you get a lot of tricep, but also chest activation, like so. Make sure when you bring it down, you start a little lower in your chest, you bring it back up. Try not to press away from you. This is not as strong, and you actually use more shoulders than pecs, okay? When you're done, you can just bring it down onto your chest, knees come on up, and a lot of times people have a hard time kicking forward. What you want to do is use the weights to help you. So I'm going to push the weights onto my legs to help me kick back in front of me. Just like so. Okay? Thank you all so much for joining me. We'll see you next time.